Are you looking for an underwater drones? In this video, I will show you the 5 best underwater drones based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Chasing Dory underwater drone. Chasing makes underwater drone photography smaller and simpler with Dory, a compact remotely operated vehicle that transmits photos and video from as deep as 49 foot and is controlled by a smartphone or tablet. The Dory connects to a small floating Wi-Fi buoy with a 49-foot tether and streams live 720p video from beneath the surface to your device and to social media if you like. It snaps 2MP photos and records 1920 by 1080 video at 30 frames per second, enhanced by a color restore algorithm for dynamic imagery, and its wide f/1.6 lens captures the scenery and the action even in low-light environments. The 4th product on the list is the PowerVision PowerDolphin. PowerDolphin offers an exciting live streaming visual experience. Whether it is thrilling water sports or exploring magnificent underwater scenery, it allows you to experience the water with ease and from a first-person perspective. PowerVision's PowerDolphin captures life in stunning 4K photography and video, while simultaneously mapping underwater contours and improving your fishing game with its intelligent fishing functions. The 3rd product on the list is the Fifish V6. Fifish V6 from QYSEA is the first compact-size omnidirectional ROV with 4K UHD camera. The patented smart thruster array empowers you to push beyond your creative boundaries and explore the vast underwater world without limits. Moving in sideways, tilting in plus or minus 90 degrees is manageable. The professional 4K camera with a 166 degrees FOV fixed lens for underwater video filming/photo shooting, support H.265 HEVC video format and RAW in DNG epic underwater shooting. This special bundle includes a virtual reality box and unlocked access to all VR functions. The 2nd product on the list is the Yukon Robot underwater drone BW Space. BW Space Pro 4K Zoom is equipped with a 1/1.8-inch sensor, an f1.4 large aperture, 30% increase in the light transmitting than 1/2.3 lens sensor. Captures 4K UHD video and 12 megapixel photos. Image stabilization technology smooths underwater video shooting and delivers professional image quality. By using 4 bidirectional thrusters, the BW Space Pro can shoot and travel with pitch angles of up to plus or minus 45 degrees. This range of motion creates more flexibility and opportunities to capture stunning videos and still images. The 1st product on the list is the Janino Titan Professional Underwater Drone. It's a light industrial-grade intelligent underwater robot able to dive to 574 feet/175 m depth. Carried A17/A7 dual-core CPU, support H.264/265 Ultra HD 4K video codec, built-in 12 million pixel class professional camera, 3000 lumens LED fill light in front. Built-in dedicated image processing DSP, significantly improve the graphics processing capabilities of various scenes. Meantime, the whole machine apply industrial-grade waterproof solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.